Dave here, and what I want to do is show you in this video how the Traffic Authority traffic packs work. I've actually got a silver and a basic package running, and they are running to my lead capture pages with list leverage. And if you look at this page here, I'll do it slow so you can see that they are actually going. This is all literally traffic from traffic packages with Traffic Authority. All of them going down there. There's 3 pages as a minimum there of leads. So the traffic packages really do work from Traffic Authority, and if you want to get a traffic pack from them, simply click the link beneath this video and you can get yourself up and running. It's set and forget traffic. What more would you want for your business? Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified of all the videos that get uploaded to my channel. But thanks for watching this.